Hello my dear students, my name is Mukesh Janma and I'm back with a new video. Many students requested me that sir please start the prepositions because this is a very confusing topic. So I'm here with the preposition. I'll teach one preposition in detail with Hindi and English meaning and with the examples, but you also have to make few examples and write into the chat box, right? So first let's begin with what is preposition. A preposition is a grammatical term for a word that shows a relationship between items in a sentence, usually indicating direction, time, place, position, or exclusion. Now, this was just a definition. First preposition I'm going to start, that is the at. So many people have confusion about the at how many places this preposition is used. 7 most important places where I'm going to teach this preposition. The first one is, it is used to show where somebody, something is, or where something happens. In Hindi it is called par, mein, sthan ke sandarbh mein. For example, date is written at the top of the page. Second example, Deepak got married at 24. It means in the age of 24 he got married. Second use of at is, it is used to show when something happens. Means in Hindi, mein, par, it means in Hindi, samay ke sandarbh mein. For example, I start working at 11 o'clock. So it is about the time. Second example, the baby was sleeping at night. Now, the third use of preposition at in the direction of somebody or something. In Hindi, की ओर या पर, खास करके दिशा के संकेत के संदर्भ में. For example, a teacher shouted at students. Second example, he pointed a finger at the girl. He pointed a finger at the girl, right? So this was the third use. Now I'm going to teach you the fourth use of preposition at. Fourth use says, it is used for because of something, means पर, कारण बताने के लिए भी at use करते हैं. For example, I was surprised at her polite behavior. When we don't expect from somebody and somebody is very much polite, then we say, I was surprised at her polite behavior. Second example, they all laughed at her stupid jokes. We sometimes laugh. Now, fifth use of preposition at, it is used to show what somebody is doing or what is happening. In Hindi, यह बताने के लिए प्रयुक्त कि कौन क्या कर रहा है या क्या हो रहा है. For example, Germany and Japan were at war. Next example, I think Mr. Sanjay is at airport. Now let's go to the sixth use of preposition at. It is used to show the price, rate, speed, etc. of something. In Hindi, मूल्य, गति, दर आदि बताने के लिए प्रयुक्त. For example, he was driving at 70 km per hour for the speed. Next example, the price starts at 1,000 for each painting. The last use, seventh use, it is used with adjective that show how well somebody something does something. In Hindi, कोई क्या काम कितना अच्छा करता है यह बताने के लिए विशेषण के साथ प्रयुक्त. For example, he is not very good at Punjabi but he is good at English. Next example, she is hopeless at managing people. So that's all about the preposition at. I described in Hindi, English, and I gave you 1 or 2 examples. How many examples you can write into chat box, and what do you think? Do you want me to continue this series of preposition? Then also write your agreement into the chat box. If it's really good and you like, please share this video with your friends. I'll be right back having a new preposition. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.